going to the movies again. Okay, so we're in the car. This boy sucks.
I said, well, let's
We're
go.
in the car. The movie theater. Woo! We're inside. Hey guys, this is my food. I got a pretzel and some popcorn. I'll see you guys when I'm in the theater. Hey guys, just made it out of the theater.
Sorry about that.
Now, to end the video, we're gonna go to a car shop. We made it to the show.
Hey, we'll be back. Hey! I'll be right back. Okay, here. See you, man. Yes, she is. What a sad person. Me too. This is like the first one.
Bye bye, Kasha. Bye bye. I'll miss you. Now we're starting my guitar center.